Hello food lovers! Welcome back to Sangkap Sarap TV, where we turn simple ingredients into delicious Filipino classics. Today, we're making stir-fried pork and tofu with kinchay, also known as Ginisang Tokwa't Baboy with Tausi. This dish features crispy tofu, tender pork, umami-rich fermented black beans, and the fresh punch of kinchay, all tossed in a glossy, flavorful sauce, the perfect Filipino-Chinese home-cooked stir-fry. Stay with me until the end because I'll show you how to get the pork tender, the tofu crispy, and the sauce perfectly glossy. Every step matters for that authentic flavor. Let's get cooking. Ingredients: cooking oil, 4 blocks firm tofu, tokwa, cubed, 3 to 5 cloves garlic, crushed, 1 medium onion, sliced, 2 medium tomatoes, sliced, 500 grams pork belly, small cubes, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons calamansi juice, 1 cup water, 2 tablespoons salted black beans, Tausi, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, dissolved in 1 tablespoon water, 2 cups kinchay, cut into 1-inch lengths, salt and black pepper to taste. Procedure: fry tofu cubes in oil until golden and firm. Set aside. In a pan, sauté garlic until fragrant. Followed by onions and tomatoes until soft. Add pork belly cubes. Sear until the edges are light brown and oil begins to render. Add soy sauce, calamansi juice, and water. Cover and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until the pork is tender. Add the Tausi, fermented black beans, and oyster sauce. Stir and simmer for another 3 minutes. Pour in the cornstarch slurry and stir until the sauce is glossy and thick. Add the fried tofu and kinchay. Toss gently for 1 to 2 minutes just until the kinchay wilts but stays fragrant. Adjust seasoning. Serve immediately. And there you have it, our stir-fried pork and tofu with kinchay, packed with flavor, texture, and the perfect balance of umami and freshness. If you enjoyed this recipe, smash the like button, share it with your friends and family, and follow Sangkap Sarap TV for more easy, authentic Filipino recipes you can cook at home. Comment below which Filipino-Chinese dish you want to see next. Your suggestion might be featured in our next video. Thank you for watching Sangkap Sarap TV, where every recipe brings out the true taste of home. See you in the next video.